Hey, welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Fidium Fiber. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. Fidium Fiber is a new kid on the block. They just launched into the fiber internet business in 2021. Fidium Fiber is a smaller provider owned by a much larger Consolidated Communications. But Fidium Fiber still has over 1 million fiber connections available in a number of states, including Texas, California, the Northeast, and the Midwest. It's always fun to review our newer providers because you can give some information that is not easy to find. So let's look at Fidium Fiber's pricing. Fidium Fiber offers prices that are good across the board with no hidden fees. The entry-level plan starts at a rock-bottom rate that will beat almost any other fiber deal you find. And that fiber is going to be much faster than any DSL option. For families on a budget, this is one of the most affordable first-tier fiber plans you'll find in the industry. And Fidium Fiber offers speeds all the way up to 2 gigs, all at similar low prices. Fidium Fiber has no data caps. That means you won't face any bills with surprise overage charges. And it has no required contracts, which means you'll never have any early termination fees. With these deals, we give Fidium Fiber 4 stars for pricing. You'll get great speed at very affordable prices. Next, let's talk about reliability and performance. Fidium Fiber will bring you symmetrical speeds up to 2 gigs depending on your plan. Those fast speeds are great news if you live in a place that hasn't had fiber internet before. Fidium Fiber's speeds will support high-definition streaming, gaming, video conferencing, and large file uploads. So we award Fidium Fiber 4.75 stars for strong reliability and performance. Fiber technology is hands down the best way to get super fast, reliable internet. But what about the equipment and installation? Fidium Fiber offers free installation for all their plans. That's a big money saver and not one that you see too often from many providers. And you also get a free Wi-Fi 6 modem and router with your plan. So we give Fidium Fiber 4.25 stars for equipment and installation. All this free stuff makes starting up your service really easy. Our last category is customer support. Fidium Fiber isn't yet rated in the biggest national surveys, but you can still find their user reviews online. Reviews are mixed, which is typical for a newer provider still establishing its operations. Fidium Fiber does have phone support, online help resources, and the Attune Wi-Fi app to help you manage your Wi-Fi settings. So we award Fidium Fiber 3.5 stars for customer experience and support. We expect their reviews will be more positive as they acquire more experience in the next year or two. Now, we'll finish with a recap of what you'll get with Fidium Fiber Internet. We give Fidium Fiber a high overall rating of 4.1 stars. If you choose Fidium Fiber, you'll get great prices, a super fast connection, free equipment, and that's a good deal. To see if Fidium Fiber covers your area, visit our website at CompareInternet.com. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider in your area. And that's the straight talk on Fidium Fiber. Come back and see us for more reviews here at CompareInternet.com. See you soon.